In this tutorial, we'll see how we can create a Telegram robot without coding using Bot Studio. Bot Studio is a free web-based platform that allows you to easily create robots for different platforms such as Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord, all without the need for coding. With its intuitive drag-and-drop editor interface, you can seamlessly create and customize complex functional systems in a minute. Let's get started. First, let's head over to Bot Studio's website at www.botstudio.com. And then press on the Sign In Sign Up button. Next up, enter your email address and password. If you've already got a Bot Studio account and your details are correct, you'll be logged right in. Otherwise, your new account will be created. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the Bot Studio dashboard and click on the Create Robot button. Then you'll be redirected to the Create Bot page. Then select the Telegram platform and click on the Next button. Now let's give our new robot a name. For example, we'll call it TestBot. Next up, we'll need a Telegram bot access token to use in Bot Studio. Let's grab that token and get our bot up and running. All right, we'll need to send a message to Telegram's bot father. You can find the Telegram username of the robot in the caption of this video. Now we need to press the Start button and send the command /newbot to it. Now we are prompted to select a new name for our robot. Let's stick with TestBot for now. Next up, we need to create a unique username for our robot, and it should end with bot word. Once we've completed the steps with the bot father, we'll receive a token. We're copying that token and heading back to Bot Studio. You can review the terms and conditions for Bot Studio's Telegram robots. It's important to know what you're agreeing to. Now we can click on the Create button, and then our Telegram robot will be created and will be redirected to the dashboard page. Next, click on the Robot submenu and find your bot's name. Give it a click and you'll dive deeper into customizing and managing your bot. Here you can manage everything related to your robot. You can check your users, events happening to robots, access to control, and such things. Clicking on the Edit Nodes button will redirect us to the editor, where we can create our robot's functional system. Then I'm right-clicking inside the editor area to open the context menu. Then we'll select the Send Message node from the Telegram category. This node is used to send text messages to Telegram chats. Now we enter our message's text, for example, "Hello World." You can get redirected to your bot's chat by clicking on the link sent by BotFather. As we defined, whenever a new message is received for our Telegram robot, it will respond to it with the predefined message. You can customize anything related to your robot without any limitations using Bot Studio. You can also access all examples of how Telegram bots work in Bot Studio. You can choose ready-to-use templates or examples that will help you create your Telegram robots faster. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and learned how to create Telegram robots using Bot Studio. Soon we'll have more tutorials about Bot Studio and Telegram robots, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. Have a good day, developers.